part of the Climate Smart Cocoa Agroforestry Research in Ghana project. We are researching into cocoa varieties, resilience towards climate change effects. And we have equipment in this cocoa farm, which is 15-year-old, to monitor varieties of cocoa. We have 3 key varieties we are working on, and the equipment that we are using to do this work, we have the subflow sensors that are tracking how the different varieties of cocoa are using water, and that also indicates their ability to withstand drought. So apart from the sensors, we have also the dendrometer also tracking the changes that are occurring in the stem size. Again, also have the weather monitor, which is monitoring the rainfall, relative humidity, sunshine intensity, and all other parameters that you can get from the weather equipment, to be able to monitor how the weather is changing, as the subflow sensors are also tracking the way they are using water. And therefore, we will be able to know at any time how these trees are performing with respect to the way they are using the water.
My name is Finn Plauborg. I'm an associate professor from Aarhus University in Denmark. And I'm a main supervisor to Stephen. We started out building it in 2020. And we have set a monitoring program not seen before, at least in Ghana, not in Ivory Coast. So we have now the chances to assess the problems with climate change, increasing temperature, erratic rainfall, which of the variety can do the job. Or maybe we even have to do genetics and develop another one if we want to keep all the jobs in Ghana on cocoa. When that is said, there's a lot of work to do, of course, to come to the conclusions.
My name is Uffe Jørgensen. I'm a professor from Aarhus University in Denmark, and I've been supervising this work on the soil amendments, fertilizer of the cocoa, and also the emissions of greenhouse gases. Really important things to improve yield of cocoa, but at the same time make it into a more environmental and climate friendly production. It's been an easy task because the students have been so skilled themselves. I was really impressed by the work that was done here. A lot of sampling, a lot of application of treatments, and a lot of writing up results in high quality journals that already now has spread the news of that it's possible to recycle some of the local resources in the plantations, but you could also take resources from outside. The environment is full of nutrients. We just have to collect it and use it where it creates benefit. And these results have spread in the academic world, but what I think is now more important and also really impressive is that already the farmers are requesting these results to be put into practice.
Hello, my name is Søren Markus Petersen and I'm from University of Copenhagen in Denmark. And I'm mostly involved in work package 2, which is dealing with farmers' perception of climate change. And we're also looking into the economic impact of using agroforestry systems here in Ghana. In Ghana, many farmers who are producing cocoa, they are very much based on a rain-fed system. So they are very, vulnerable to climate change. So it's very important for them to reduce the risk for their production system. And also very many farmers, for instance, have 80% of their income are coming from the cocoa production. So if 1 year they have a low yield from the production, it can impact their economy and livelihood quite a lot.